Another reason that makes oxygenated Pi water the best drinking water is because of its small cluster of molecules. The conventional drinking water available in the market today contains big clusters of water molecules, and that's what gives us the feeling of a bloated stomach when we drink them. Big clustered water is difficult to be absorbed by the cells in the body. On the other hand, oxygenated Pi water is structured in small clusters of molecules with a size of around 51 to 53 Hz. Due to its small size, it easily penetrates the cell wall and absorbed by the cells. This enabled the clustered water to move across the cell membranes with greater ease, thus efficiently transporting nutrients and making our cells healthier and nourished. A perfect cell rejuvenator indeed. Since clustered water are able to move freely through the cell walls, it effectively removes waste and toxic substances, making it a powerful detoxifier as well. Small clustered water also hydrates the cells right away. Hydrated cells is a healthy cell because it increases the oxygen carrying capacity of the cells by 38%. Also, it can maintain proper communication between the cells, enhancing its performance and stimulating it to be active cells. To prove the increased oxygen carrying capacity of the cells by just simply drinking oxygenated Pi water, an experiment was conducted placing a goldfish inside an airtight container. Given the calculated necessary volume of oxygen, the goldfish can only survive for about 3 to 4 days. However, when oxygenated Pi water was used instead of conventional water, the fish survived for 216 days. This is due to the high oxygen content of our product. Oxygenated Pi water can provide your body with added oxygen. This creates a cellular oxygen-rich environment that inhibits the growth of viruses and bacteria and destroys anaerobic organisms. It can also increase the body's stamina and energy level. In fact, the small clustered water of oxygenated Pi makes it a perfect energy booster drink. Oxygenated Pi water is a drinkable energy. It takes drinking water to the next level by passing on its energy to its consumer. Oxygenated Pi water is activated and energized by the use of bioceramic balls with ferric ferrous salt and far infrared ores. When iron salt interacts with the far infrared ores, a charge occurs in the nucleus of the iron atom, causing the atom to be highly energized iron atom, radiating electromagnetic waves or auras. This is proven by the Kirlian photo, which shows the difference in aura or energy level coming from ordinary tap water versus oxygenated Pi water. After drinking it, the bioenergy of the water is added to your body. This goes to show that the water is living and is full of life force energy. Another evidence that shows oxygenated Pi water is a drinkable energy is the experiment where saltwater fish and freshwater fish are placed in the same aquarium. If we use conventional water, they will die within an hour. This is because of the difference in saturating pressure. But with oxygenated Pi water, it can provide bioenergy to help their adjustability to severe circumstances. And this is the reason why both these fishes survive living in the same aquarium. The efficacy of oxygenated Pi water are attested by laboratory experiments and personal experiences as well. For example, a test was conducted in Japan where 2 laboratory mice was injected with PCB. The first group was injected with 0.5 ml of PCB diluted in distilled water. The second group of mice was injected with the same amount of PCB, but this time it was diluted in oxygenated Pi water. After 72 hours, the first group of mice developed cancer cells on their tails.